Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Wegmans Meals To Go food delivery and pickup app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Wegmans Meals To Go is a food delivery and pickup app designed to bring the fresh, high-quality meals from Wegmans directly to your doorstep. The app allows users to order restaurant-style meals, groceries, and catering items conveniently through their phones. It's available on both iOS and Android and serves as a one-stop platform for everything from sushi and salads to hot meals and bakery items. The app's main feature is its customizable ordering system, allowing you to choose meal types, portion sizes, and pickup or delivery times. Users can also reorder favorite items, track orders in real time, and browse curated meal categories for easy selection. With its sleek interface and reliable customer experience, Wegmans Meals To Go brings the same in-store freshness and variety to mobile users. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the freshness of food, easy ordering process, and timely delivery. The ability to schedule orders ahead of time and earn rewards through their Wegmans account makes it a convenient option for families, office lunches, or quick dinners. The integration with Wegmans' grocery system also makes it ideal for those who want to combine meal and grocery orders in one app. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have reported occasional delivery delays, limited coverage in smaller towns, and higher prices compared to in-store purchases. Additionally, some menu items may vary by location, affecting availability. In summary, the Wegmans Meals To Go app may be worth using if you're a Wegmans customer who values fresh, high-quality meals and convenience in ordering. However, if you live outside Wegmans delivery areas or prefer cooking at home, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.